Hi everyone, I'm making some chocolate chip cookies and I thought I would go ahead and use this time to explain a math problem to help with today's lesson. And so the problem is these chocolate chip cookies require 4 cups of flour and I want to know how many tenths that would be. So I'm trying to figure out how many tenths are in 4. And so there's a couple of different ways that I could do this, but I'm thinking about, I know that 10 tenths make 1 whole. So if I'm trying to figure out how many tenths are in 4, then I could do 4 times 10, and that's going to give me 40. So there would be 40 tenths in 4 cups. Now we've also done this with fractions, so if I had 4 divided by 1/10, we also know that that's going to give us 40. So whenever we are dividing with fractions or with decimals, we don't always get the answer that we would expect because we might expect to get a number that's smaller. But since we are thinking about these in parts and how many small 1/10 pieces we have in 4, that's why we end up with a bigger number. So another example might be 3 divided by, we'll say 1/10 again. So that's going to give us, we're thinking about how many tenths are in 3. So in 1/10 there's 10. So in 3 there's going to be 30. So you can kind of see a pattern here. So I want you to use that pattern to help complete the form. And I think I'm going to get back to making these cookies. So I've got almost everything ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. And the mystery word for today is flour. So if you have any questions, send me an email.